in a BAH fraud or OHA fraud case, the time to reach out to an attorney is, number one, if you're committing fraud right now and you're watching this video and you know you're committing fraud, you're getting BAH for Honolulu and your family doesn't live in Honolulu and you know you're committing fraud, you need an attorney to start unwinding this right away. If you may not be under investigation yet, but you're going to be under investigation, it is just a matter of time before an investigation ensues, either through a DOD audit, a DFAS audit, or a USIFR. You need an attorney to start unwinding this almost immediately. The second piece of that is if you are under investigation for BH fraud or OHA fraud, you've been called in to CID or NCIS or OSI, invoke your rights and you need an attorney immediately at that point in time, because now you are absolutely and unequivocally under investigation. On the other hand, you do not need an attorney to just figure out what the BH regulation is. You do not need to have an attorney and do a consultation with them and say, well, my family is living here, but I don't know if they're going to go here. What should I do in the future? We have people call us a lot asking us questions about what they should fill out for their BAH. You don't need an attorney to do that. Just look at the form and list where your family member is actually going to live or where they're actually living. You do not need an attorney for that. The biggest thing is just be honest. It's not hard to be honest. Read the form, fill it out correctly, and you're probably never going to need an attorney. The reality is the vast majority of service members travel all over the world. They're stationed all over the world and either have 3-4-year careers or 30-year careers and never are accused of BAH fraud because they're just honest with it. And so if you are honest with where you're listing your family members and trying to do the right thing and having actual integrity, then you don't need to hire an attorney or even consult with an attorney. But again, if you're in a position where that may not be the case, then it is time to consult with an attorney or hire an attorney. And as always, the sooner you do it, the better. In particular in BH and OHA cases, because every single month that you obtain BH or OHA payment, you're committing an additional offense. The offense gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and you may go from something that we can unwind at a GOMAR to now, because you waited, it's going to go to a court martial where you can end up in prison for this.